got this thing. It's working great. But on all those videos, everybody was saying cut the, if you can see it, cut the gasket before you attached it to the pool. Well, I didn't cut the gasket. I had my son here to help me, and I can't see, but I took the faceplate where I wanted to put it, held it there. My son drilled holes in all of the screw placement holes on the faceplate. We put the skimmer together without the gasket in it, and cut the liner out. Then took it back apart and then put the gasket in whole. Didn't cut it. I was afraid of splitting it somewhere where it shouldn't have been split and it was gonna leak. But that's the way we did it. And then of course after that we put the gasket in, we reattached the skimmer. And I just don't think skimmers are meant to be, or I'm not skimmers, but gaskets are meant to be cut. And as you can see, no leaks. Thanks for watching. Don't cut your gasket.